Hi everybody, I am Asaduzzaman Biswas. I came again today to give you some idea about loop. In my previous class tutorial I discussed about for loop, and today I like to discuss another loop, that is a do while loop. It also executes block of code number of times until the given condition is false, but it is having a difference than other loop, that is the first time the block of code is executed without checking the condition, which is not happened in case of while loop and for loop, right? So let us say this example with an example. Let us say this do while loop with an example. So I am writing here the script tag, because this is mandatory to write this script tag, and inside this script tag we usually write the JavaScript code. So let us start. First, what I will have to write, I will have to initialize the loop, that means from where the loop will be started. That is, I will start this loop from 1, so I wrote it I equal to 1, right? So this is your do loop, do and while loop. This is the starting of do while loop, and this is the end of do while loop. And then we will write while, and this while will contain the condition, that is I is less than equal to 5. Okay, now inside do we will write alert I, means this alert box will show us the value of I, and then we will increment this I by 1, because after each rotation we like to increment the value of I, right? Look here, for the first time inside this do loop, whatever we write executed without checking this condition. That is the actually main difference with while and for loop of this loop, right? So this alert will show the content of I, that is 1, then it will be incremented to 1, and it will become 2, right? Till yet the condition is true, because 2 is less than equal to 5. So again this code, block of code will be executed, and inside I there is 2, so on alert box we will get 2. Again this 2 will be incremented to 3, and till yet the condition is true, because 3 is less than equal to 5. This is a true condition, so this block of code will be executed again, and on alert box we will get 3. Now 3 will be incremented by 1, and I will become 4. Till yet the condition is true, because 4 is less than equal to 5. This is true. So on alert box we will get 4. Then 4 will be incremented by 1, and this I will become 5. Till yet the condition is true, because 5 equal to 5. So again this block of code will be executed, and on alert box we will get 5. Now 5 will be incremented by 1, and this I will become 6. But now this condition becomes false, so this block of code will not be executed at all, right? So let us see the output, what we get. Look, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we can do one thing. We can also use this loop on array. So let us make a array here. New A is the name of the array, and this array contains this value. Suppose we take few numbers inside this array. At 0 location there is 10. 0 locations means, so 0 index there is 10, on 1 index there is 20, and on 2 index there is 30. Okay, great. Now we like to display the data of this array using this do while loop. So array, index of array starts with 0, so we will start our loop from 0, right? Great. Now we will use this do while loop here. Okay, fine. This is the starting of do while loop, and this is the end of do while loop, and this loop will be executed until this condition is true. That means the condition is I is less than a dot length. Okay, that means until I is less than 3, because length contains the number of indexes in the array, and number of indexes in array is 3. So until I is less than 3. Okay, fine. So we will display the data of array one by one. So what we will write here, array is A, at very beginning inside I there is 0. That means at very beginning 10 will be displayed. Then we are incrementing this I by 1. So now I will become 1, right? But the condition is true here because I is 1 and this length is 3. 1 is less than 3, this condition is true. So this loop, this block of code will be executed again, and in one location there is 20, so 20 will be displayed on alert box. Then 2 plus 1 means I will become 3, and sorry, I is 1 plus 1 means this I will become 2. TDF condition is true because 2 is less than 3. So this block of code will be executed. Inside 2 index there is 30, so 30 will be displayed on alert box, and now this 2 plus 1 means this I will become 3, but 3 is less than 3, condition is false, so the loop will be terminated. So let us see what the output we are getting here. So I will go to the output. Look, this is the output of first do while loop. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Then look, we are getting the data of array. In 0 index there is 10, in 1 index there is 20, and in 2 index there is 30, right? So this is the basic of your do while loop. In our coming tutorial I will discuss about this loop in JavaScript more. So for